Arrow of God by Oduche. Chapter 4. Ezeulu had many enemies, especially Nwaka of Umniora was the sworn enemy of Ezeulu. Why? Because Nwaka was supported by Ezeulu, the priest of Umniora. Ezeulu was the priest of Idemili, the god of rain and water. On the market day of Nakwo, Nwaka put on the mask of Eru, that is, the god of riches, and he challenged Ulu in a public place. All those who watched the display of Nwaka questioned the authority of Ulu. The other priests were not happy that the priest of Ulu was made the chief amongst them, because tradition has that only the weakest among the priests were supposed to be chosen as the chief priest to give him an equal opportunity. There was a tradition among the Igbo people that whenever a priest died, his head was cut off and hung in the shrine of Ulu. Only the body was supposed to be buried. Ezeulu said this honor should only be given to the other priest and not to the priest of Ulu, because Ulu was less powerful than the other deities. On the other hand, Ezeulu sent his third son Oduche to learn the language of the white man. He wanted Oduche to learn the language in such a way as to write the language with his left hand. Oduche wore white when he went to the church on Sundays, and the Igbo believed that white was a funeral color and supposed to be wrapped only for dead bodies. The Igbo hated the new religion of the white man and believed that whenever there was a song in the church, it was the song of extermination. Ezeulu was the only person who wanted his son to learn it. And because of this, people started hating Ezeulu, but they dared not disobey him or speak anything against him, because they were afraid of the priest's curse. Oduche was given a wooden box by the English church. This box was exquisitely carved by Moses, the carpenter. One day, the box started moving around in Oduche's obi. Ezeulu brought a spear and forced it open. There was a python inside. It was almost dead. The people were shocked because killing a python was the highest sin among the Igbo. The whole village was shocked and the news spread like wildfire. Why did Oduche do this? Because John Goodcountry was the priest who taught the Igbo that snakes were evil. Goodcountry had only one ambition, and that was he wanted to convert all Nigerians to Christianity before he left the state. He taught them that the infernal serpent was the one who had led Eve to the fall of man. He had challenged that a real man would kill a snake and not pray to it. That was why Oduche did it, to earn the praise of the white man. Moses was once an Igbo carpenter who converted to Christianity, and he spoke a little bit of English. Moses supported the view that all snakes had to be killed. Goodcountry had named Oduche Peter and was preparing him for baptism, while his father Ezeulu was the chief priest of Ulu. See the contrast here. Oduche truly believed that the snake was an evil omen. When the news spread about Oduche's sin, a messenger arrived from Ezeulu to meet Ezeulu. He demanded a sacrifice for the snake that was killed, because it was sacred and it was the cultural totem of his village. Thank you for watching this video on chapter 4. Hope you continue on to the next one on chapter 5.